It's Jeff from the Mantiques Network. How you doing today? Got an interesting offering here. Really cute is a cast iron. It's about 4 feet tall mailbox. And what the client has done here, he's got it set up letters to Santa. Obviously that could be changed out to anything. But it's big, thick, and heavy. Everything is original on it, except for we've added a marquee on here. And they've added a really nice, well done reproduction padlock on the side. Jim said it's all good stuff, so when he says it's good, you know it's good. Right, Jim?
It's all cast iron, top and bottom.
See, this is what happens. It's Friday afternoon. He's tired of being on the thing, so he makes the camera boy do the thing. So anyways, really nice. What era do you think this is, Jim?
The client said it was 1924.
1924. Again, it comes from our really good collector out in Colorado. He's changed his spot. It's a good way to take advantage of some of his great collections. So if you're into cast iron, mail, Santa, whatever, this might be for you.